Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be talking about a recent app that I found out recently, actually it was 2 days ago, when I was scrolling down my Instagram. Basically it's an app that pays you for every step you take outdoors. Yes, every step you take outside, it counts and you get money for it. Let me get this straight and let me explain to you how it works and what it exactly is before you think she's lying, she's been paid for saying this. I'm not being paid for saying this, so believe me. So this app is called Sweatcoins, and once you've downloaded this app you have to create your profile, and once you create your profile it asks you to access your GPS, and that is how they find out if you've been walking outdoors or indoors. Bear in mind this app does not work if you're walking in a shopping centre, in a pub, at home, what else? Basically in a building. Indoors does not work. For the app to be able to count your steps, you're gonna have to have it open all the time. So not as in open, but at least on your background. And you cannot force quit it. If you force quit it, it's not gonna count your steps. But after you've walked around 1,000 meters, it will open automatically and it will count your steps. But you might lose some, so make sure you always have this app open once you start walking outside. So I'm going to show you on my phone how it works. This is your main screen, and here you can see the total steps you've taken on that day and how much you're getting from it. One thing I've learned that I didn't know is it does not calculate the amount you're getting from it if you don't take 2,000 steps. So once you've walked 2,000 steps, it will automatically deduct the amount you're going to get. But you can also force send the steps, so you can know more or less how much you're getting from it. So once you go into info, so this is your total steps today, and then you've got steps to send. And once you have, for example, 15 or 100 steps to send, you can click on force send now, and then it will automatically check if those steps were taken inside or outside, and then you get your Sweatcoin steps basically, and how much you've earned on that day. And as it says on steps to send, sent automatically every 2,000 collected steps. So you don't have to force send them every time, it's just if you wanted. And also, if you're running out of battery, this app also has a saver battery. Once you click on it, you can activate your battery saver mode. Once you activated them, you can see that some steps will be lost to maximize your battery life. So it's really up to you if you want to have it activated or not. I normally have it off because I always carry a charger with me. I've got an iPhone, guys. We know how long an iPhone can last. So as you can see, once you are walking, the steps are counting gradually, and then it will deduct the amount. As you can see in this example, this person has walked 6,000 steps nearly in a day, but only got £2 or 2 Sweatcoins 34. That means that person should have taken 2,000 steps because that will make 2 Sweatcoins. No, that means some of those steps were taken indoors and not outdoors. That's why you see this app is very clever. You cannot cheat. Steps, yes, you've taken them, but if it's not outdoors, it cannot count. And it's completely free. It's free of charge. You don't have to pay for anything to get this app and start getting money from it. But what you have to know is nothing is completely for free. So on this app you're only allowed to have 5 Sweatcoins a day, and that means 5,000 steps outdoors. And that is because you are a mover. And once you go to your profile, you can see that your monthly subscription is a mover. So you don't have to pay for it. But it says you can earn up to 5 Sweatcoins a day, which that will make up to 150 a month. If we go on to Shaker, that will cost you $4.75 a month, and that is the double of the amount you can get. Then you've got other more, so you've got 20 a month as well, will that make 15 a day. You've got 30 a month, that makes 20 a day. And then the last one, which is still not available, is a troublemaker. But I'm just gonna stick with my daily 5 Sweatcoins, because you can also get more Sweatcoins by inviting friends, and this is where you can exchange your Sweatcoins. So once you go to your icon at the bottom, it says offers. Basically you've got a daily reward every day to collect. I've claimed mine and it's a pound or a sweat coin every day. And then this is where you can exchange your sweat coins. So you can get an iPhone X, for example, if you exchange 20,000 sweat coins. That is a lot if you only have 5,000 steps and 5 sweat coins a day. But as I said, you can invite friends by copying your link, which I'll show you in a minute, and then once they click on your link and download the app, you get a $5 as well. And that makes 10, because 5 a day plus your 5 for inviting one friend makes a tenner. We've got holidays here. You can get £1,000 in a voucher, and then you just use the code, and then you get £1,000 by exchanging 20,000 sweat coins. You can get £1,000 PayPal cash by exchanging the same amount of sweat coins, and a curved Samsung TV for 20,000 sweat coins as well. You can get so much, and every day they put in a new thing what you can get. And yeah, that is basically how you spend your sweat coins, by actually real purchases, but not with real money. You can get real money if you purchase the PayPal cash, for example, but if it's for a Samsung, it does not work like a real money. Once I go here to check my balance, you can see the total amount I've got so far, and that is 43 and 55 sweat coins. And then you can see that I received from sweat coins a $5, another $5, another $5, and so on, so on. That's because I've been inviting friends to download this app, and I receive a $5 for every invite. The same happens to you. Once you have your app downloaded, which I'm gonna leave a link down below so you can access it as well, you can invite friends and you receive your $5 as well. So to get those 5 sweat coins a day for inviting friends, you just click on it and it will automatically give you your link. You copy and then you share it. Share your link with your friends and start walking, start getting sweat coins, and then start exchanging. Also, if you've exchanged anything with your sweat coins, please let me know also in the comments, because I haven't purchased anything yet. Let me be honest guys, I'm most interested on the cash. So once you go to your profile, you see how many followers you've got and what's your average per day. And this is basically what this app is about. Please, if you've downloaded this app and if you start walking and you don't have your app open, please do it. Otherwise it won't count your steps. Also, if you by mistake just force quit it, because it's so easy to just double click on that button and just force quit it, you'll receive an instant message saying, do not force quit me if you want to generate sweat coins, and it will activate it once you've walked 1,000 meters. But as I said, you might lose some steps, so make sure you always have the app open once you start walking outdoors. It's not scam, it's nothing like that, and I'm not being paid for saying this and for making this video. I've just asked for the authorization to share on my YouTube what I think of this app and how it works, and to share the link so more people can access this app. If you actually want to have a go, link in the description box. Click it, open it, download it, create your profile. It will ask you for your name, email, phone number to activate your GPS, because otherwise it cannot see where you are. Once you've done your proper research on frequently asked questions and all the reviews, you can see some tips that you've got to get more steps and to get clearer steps, which means you won't lose any steps. Again, link in the description box, download that app and get walking. The whole point of this app is to get you out of the house, to get fit, to walk, and not just sitting down on the couch or on the sofa or in bed. If you think about it, it's not doing any harm. It's the opposite. So why not? And that is it for today guys. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you did, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you want to see more videos of me. Check out my last video as well, which I always leave on the end of my videos. And if you want to follow me on my social media, it's all on my description box. Twitter, Snapchat, Facebook, Instagram, all of that. So please make sure you follow me on my social media, and also alongside, of course, the link of this amazing app. So thank you so much for watching guys, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!